In this session, let us learn about Matplotlib pie charts. Creating pie charts. With pyplot, you can use the pie function to draw pie charts. See simple pie chart. So, we have drawn some pie chart, it was created. As you can see, the pie charts draw one piece called a wedge for each values in the array. In this case, 35, 25, 25, 15. See here, by default, the plotting of the first wedge starts from the x-axis and the move counterclockwise. See, it moves clockwise. The size of each wedge is determined by comparing the value with all the other values by using this formula. The value divided by the sum of all values, x by sum x. Labels. Add labels to the pie chart with the label parameter. The label parameter must be an array with one label for each wedge. See here, lotus, jasmine, tulips, roses. The labels were added. Start array. As mentioned, the default start angle is at the x-axis, but you can change the start angle by specifying a start angle parameter. The start angle parameter is defined with an angle in degrees. Default angle is 0. See the example, start the first wedge at 90 degrees. See here, now I started with from start angle 90 degrees. See, it started from 90 degrees. Explode. Maybe you want one of the wedges to stand out. The explode parameter allows you to do that. The explode parameter is specified on not none. Must be an array with one value for each wedge. Each value represents how far from the center each wedge is displayed. See here, we have exploded blue from this pie chart. See, we have exploded the lotus blue color from this pie chart. It is separated from this pie chart. Shadow. Add a shadow to the pie chart by setting the shadow parameter to true. See, by setting it to true, see we have created some shadow to this pie chart. See here, borders. Colors. You can set the colors of each wedge with the colors parameter. The colors parameter is specified must be an array with one value for each wedge. See here, lotus black, jasmine hot pink, tulips B, and roses we have given hexadecimal value. See here, they were added. You can use the hexadecimal color values, any of the 140 support color names or one of the shortcuts. R red, G green, B blue, C cyan, M magenta, Y yellow, K black, W white. Legend. To add a list of explanation for each wedge, use the legend function. See, add a legend. Import, see here, lotus, jasmine, tulips, roses. See, lotus, jasmine, tulips, roses. We have added some widgets here. Legend with a header. To add a header to the legend, add the title parameter to the legend function. See, let us add a title for that. See here, we have added 4 color. That is, this is title for this. See, we have added the 4 color title here for widget. Okay friends, this is the end of part 12 Matplotlib pie charts. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.